Boracay Island. It is a tropical island located in the Philippines, specifically in the western Visayas region. It is famous for its white beach, a stunning 4-kilometer stretch of powdery white sand and crystal clear waters. It's often considered one of the world's most beautiful beaches. It is a water sports paradise, offering activities like snorkeling, scuba diving, parasailing, windsurfing, and paddleboarding. It is renowned for its breathtaking sunsets. Many visitors gather along the beachfront to watch the sun dip below the horizon.
Subscribe for more.